Hello friends, this is Miss Shang here. Today we are going to talk about how you can see your friends and teacher on Zoom call the same time that you look up something on your Seesaw Classroom, your Google Classroom, or anything on the internet browser that your teacher wants you to look at. First is that you will have to exit out of your full screen of Zoom. Right now, Miss Shang is on a Zoom window. So what I need to do is to move my cursor anywhere so that these three options shows up. One of the options will say exit full screen. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click exit full screen. Now that I exited the full screen, you will see my Chrome browser on the background. And you will also see these three options of this Zoom window popping up, the line, the box, and the exit button. I want to see both of this window as well as my browser window and behind me. So what I can do is I can put them side by side right next to each other. So here are three simple steps that you need to do. The first step you need to do is use your cursor, move your cursor to the Zoom bar over here, click it so that the system knows that this is the thing that you want to move. Once you click it, you finish the first step. The second step is to look for a key on your keyboard. The key is called Alt. It's A-L-T. It's right next to your space button. Once you find that key, you are going to click it. At the same time, you will need to click a second key, which is a bracket key. I'm going to show it over here. It should be on the top right corner of your keyboard. It has two of them facing different side. So it depends on which direction you want to move your Zoom window to. You can click either of them. For Miss Show, I like my Zoom window to stay on the right side of my screen. So I'm going to click that right side bracket key over here. You have to click those two keys together. I'm going to press the Alt key first, and then I'm going to press the right bracket key. Now you can see my window of Zoom is moved to the right side of my screen. But now if my teacher tells me to go to Seesaw and go to slide 8 and look for this, now I click Seesaw. I lost my whole class. I cannot see my teacher anymore. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do the same thing to my Seesaw screen. You remember that 3-step? The first one is click the blank space over here on the tab. Then I'm going to look for my Alt key. And the last step is to click the other bracket key that I didn't click before, which is the left one. Now my window goes to the left, and you can see on my computer screen I have my Zoom meeting as well as my browsers on the same screen, so I can see them side by side. Now if my teacher is projecting something over here on the Zoom, I can still open up my assignment on Seesaw and see my teacher and my classmates at the same time. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.